Hi everyone, this is Kuldeep Sharma and I'm working here as Assistant Professor of Pharmacology in the Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy, Yamunanagar. So in this particular today's session, what we are going to talk about is, we are going to talk about analgesiometer, and which is also known as, which is also known as radiant heat analgesiometer. And this test is also named as tail flick test, right? So although we are having number of tail flick methods, one is we can provide the heat, anyhow we have to give the pain to the animal, right? So one source could be radiant heat that we are going to discuss now in this particular session, and another way we can provide the pain to the animal by just dipping the tail of the rat or mice into the hot water, right? So these could be the two ways how you can give the pain to the animals. And one more important thing about this particular apparatus is used to check the central analgesic activity, not for the peripheral analgesic. And we have another test, that is Adie's hot plate method, that is basically used for the peripheral analgesic activity. So let's start with what we have is, as we turn on the instrument, as you can see, firstly we will weigh the animal and then we will number the animal, right? So once you do this procedure, we will turn on it. Once you turn it on, then you can see this radiant heat source will be inflamed up, right? So what we will do for basal recording time, what we will do, we will put the tail of the animal over here in between this radiant heat source so that animal can feel pain, right? So once the animal starts feeling pain, normally what happens, when you will feel the pain or animal will feel the pain, it will start expelling out, or you can say it will withdraw its tail within, so normal time is 3 to 5 seconds. Animal normally takes 3 to 5 seconds to withdraw its tail after feeling the pain. So what happens, and the cut-off time for this particular experiment is 10 to 12 seconds. If animal doesn't withdraw the tail within 12 seconds, then you need to isolate that particular animal from your study. This is the basic guideline, you can say. So once you start it, you will put the animal tail over here, animal will start feeling pain and it will withdraw the tail. That withdrawal time you have to know, and that response is known as flicking response. That response is known as flicking response. That's why it is named as tail flick method, right? So note down the time, how much time it has taken. Suppose in the control animal it has taken 7 seconds, 6 to 7 seconds to withdraw its tail. That is noted as a basal time of control animals. So now you will give the test compound, any compound like morphine. Morphine is a central analgesic, right? So you will administer your compound. You have to wait for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes you have to wait, and again you will repeat the same procedure by putting the tail of the animal over here in this radiant heat source. And one more important thing, in this test compound, test groups, you have to record the tail flicking time at the different time interval. You have to record after 5 minutes of administration, 10, 15, 30 till 60 minutes, or till the time when it is reaching to the 10 to 12 seconds. The total withdrawal time of the tail from the animal is 10 to 12 seconds. Till that particular time, you have to record this particular time taken to the withdrawal. So once you have done this, then finally calculate the percentage withdrawal, or you can say percentage reaction time. That is the parameter of index of analgesia, right? Finally, you will calculate the index of analgesia by reducing the control from test, and it will be divided, it will be multiplied by the 100. That will be your percentage activity, or you can say percentage analgesic activity of that particular compound. So this is how you use to check the analgesic activity, central analgesic activity, by using this particular tail flick method or tail flick analgesiometer. So this was all about this. Thank you very much.